Hi everyone, welcome back to Jibba's kitchen. Today we are going to make some devilled soy meat, and this is going to be a very spicy and delicious dish. So let's run through the ingredients. Soy, I have soaked this in hot water for about 3 minutes, and then you have to squeeze it and drain all the water so it will be dry. Then I have 2 onions cut into cubes, half a lime, ginger garlic, green chilies, tomato, Sri Lankan capsicum, chili flakes, soy sauce, tomato sauce, chili powder, and a bit of sugar, which gives a touch of sweetness to it. Then we have oil and salt. When the pan is heated, let's add some oil. Now we will add 1 teaspoon of ginger and garlic, 1 teaspoon each. Now we will add 2 teaspoons of chili flakes, half a teaspoon of sugar, salt, around 1/4 teaspoon. Remember, salt is always as per taste. We'll add 2 spoons of tomato ketchup, and now we will be adding the fried soy into this. Now we will add 1/4 teaspoon of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of soy sauce, now we'll add the Sri Lankan capsicum, now again we will add 2 spoons of ketchup, green chilies, then we will add the onions, and we will toss it well. Then we will add the tomatoes. I feel that I need a bit more ketchup, so I will add a bit more ketchup, around 2 spoons, and let's mix it well. And finally we'll squeeze a bit of lime. Now you can see the devilled soya is ready. The devilled soy. It tastes delicious.